What is up, Republic of Gamers? We are here at Micro Center in Tustin, California with a huge ROG 20th anniversary event. We are giving away a ton of swag today. We are doing 1v1 Valorant tournaments against some of the best pros on the planet. And of course, we are showing off all of the latest ROG 20th anniversary gear that we just announced at Computex. Thank you so much to Micro Center and to NVIDIA for helping us put this on. It is an awesome, awesome event.
Right now we're watching two pros play. It's Timmy's gonna win. I feel it in my heart.
I have been building with Asus parts since I was a kid. And the fact that I'm still moving forward with Asus parts today blows my mind. And I am so happy that I get to keep going with the quality and incredible, just everything that Asus represents.